Hello viewers, welcome to Ebay Smart Solutions. We are here with the installation video of Ebay's push-pull digital door locks. The uniqueness of this push-pull door lock is that it has an auto lock mechanism that closes and opens in 5 seconds and with a motorized auto lock case. Now let's look into the parts of the lock. This is square key, this is auto lock case, front panel, back panel, screws and a cutout template. Using this template, make a clean cutout on the door. Very carefully place the auto lock case into the door with the chip outside. And tighten the screws. Carefully place the square key in the right direction to the front panel. Now install the front panel with the chips carefully connected to the board. Now using the back panel, install it behind the door. Be very careful to pull out the chip of the back panel to the front panel because it has to be connected to the front panel. And tighten the screws. Now take the back panel, connect them very carefully. There's a chip behind which connects. Be very careful to connect the chip right direction. After fixing the back panel, make sure the screws are tight and the wires are placed very neatly. Install 4 AA batteries to power on. Now close the battery holder and tighten the screws. Your Ebay's push-pull door lock is now ready to use. Follow our operation video for more.